how beautiful the flowers are today. They're glowing so brightly.
Long ago, before the first tree, the spirit of nature walked the earth, guarding the innocent and guiding the lost.
Be realistic, Nary. Your ideas won't help. We just need to dig deeper.
Who are you? And why have you entered my valley?
Please bring the rain back, Great Spirit. Not just for us, but for the forest and all creatures. We must restore balance.
We are saved! The rain has come!
Look, the crops are green again. We can dance.
Sister, the forest is restored, and so is my respect for the spirits and for you.
We are truly sorry.